In this video, I will guide you to install and set up Unshaky. On the website, navigate to Releases, and you will find all available versions of Unshaky. Go ahead and download the zip file. After you unzip it, you should get an unshaky.app file. Just drag it to the application folder. When you open Unshaky for the first time, you should see this. This is because Unshaky doesn't have enough privilege. Now open System Preference, go to Security and Privacy. You should find Accessibility on the left panel. You might need to click this lock to make changes. Now drag Unshaky to this box. If Unshaky is here, you can go ahead and open it. Now you can see Unshaky in the menu bar, but it won't work without configuration. Let's say my Anki has problem. I'm going to set the delay to 40 milliseconds. This value works for me. You may have different ones. Now Unshaky should start to work. If you want to start Unshaky on System Startup, you go to User and Groups, Login Items, drag Unshaky to this box, then you're good.